If you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm normally traveling all around the world to all kinds of cool archaeological sites in search of history. Well, today I'm searching for something extremely ancient. We're talking about a technology from a long-lost civilization. That's right, we're here in Roanoke, Virginia, and we're going to take a look at the Pinball Museum. Let's go. That's right, here in downtown Roanoke, Virginia is a museum that showcases a gaming technology from a time long past. This building is located at Market Square and actually houses a number of interesting businesses. Just take these stairs to the upper level and there it is, the Pinball Museum. This place features dozens of pinball machines, around 70 in all. And guess what? They're not just for show. Each one is set to free play, so you can enjoy them all. Now you youngsters probably don't know anything about this kind of stuff. But me and my grandfather used to play these back when I was like 2. That was a long time ago. We're talking like 1980, yeah. So these things have been around for quite some time. Pinball seems to have a complicated history. Some of the earliest versions actually incorporated nails, or wooden pins as they were called. They don't have any of those here, but some of these actually do date back to the 1930s. That's basically the time that pinball machines, as we know them, would become commonplace. And that's also around the same time these things started eating coins too. Oh yeah, and you know that iconic spring launcher device thingy? Well, it goes back further than that. Apparently, it was actually patented back in the 1800s. So like I said, it's kind of hard to place a date on the actual origin of pinball itself. It seems to have been somewhat of an evolutionary process along the way. You'll notice a wide variety of themes here, from well-known sci-fi characters like this doctor, to my own personal archaeological hero, a doctor of another kind. You know the guy. There are also rock and roll themed machines on site, like these British rockers that once even sang about pinball. Unfortunately, I'm not so much of a wizard at this myself. Speaking of British bands, here's a classic. And they even have one featuring America's most famous metal band. Hopefully I don't get sued over this one. Just kidding, Lars. Can you believe that there was a time when certain cities actually tried to ban pinball? It seems that some people associated these machines with gambling and other types of games of chance. Fortunately, that nonsense didn't stick. One of the coolest things about this place is that your admission fee covers an entire day. That means you can even take a break and come back later. One thing is for certain, it's easy to lose track of time in here, but you know what? It's time well wasted. So if you find yourself in the Roanoke area, be sure to stop in and pay a visit at one of the most hands-on museums you will ever encounter. No quarters necessary, just be sure you warm up those hands a bit first. Thanks for watching, and until next time, so long from the Pinball Museum.